Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tom. My website is Sports Talk. The domain is right here up at the top, tk58.ruckers-si.domains. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to place a bet on Fanduel. So this video is going to be targeted towards anyone who has never placed a bet before, who maybe you have placed bets before on different sites but not Fanduel. So anyone who hasn't used Fanduel or doesn't know how to place a bet. So let's just get right into it. Head over. Alright, we'll do it from scratch. Type in Fanduel Sportsbook. Click on the link. Now you guys are going to have to hit join now. I already have an account, so I'll just hit login. You'll hit New Jersey, provide an email, pick a username and password. And then once you do that, it'll ask you for some more information. And once you do that, you'll be ready to go. So I'm just going to log in here real quick. Click home, and then it'll bring, this should pop up on your guys' screen as well if you're on a computer. If you're on a phone, you won't have to worry about this, but if you're on a computer, you'll have to download this plugin and verify your location for them so you can place a bet. Without downloading this, you won't be able to place a bet. And you also, if you're on a computer, you will need to be on Wi-Fi. You cannot be on an Ethernet connection, which I am right now, so I'm not going to be able to fully go through with it, but you'll be able to see how to place the bet still. So once you download the plugin, you'll get here, you'll have to come up here and add funds. You're going to need to make a deposit, so click that. Provide your whatever banking information you want, and once you're done with that, then you'll come over back to the home page, and whatever you want to bet on. If you know exactly what you want to bet on, you come to the tabs over here and click. You'll be able to find it very easily. If not, use the tabs at the top on the home page that they provide, like Popular, Live, Odds Boost, and you can look through stuff. For our video, we'll just do an odds boost. We'll click. You're always going to want to click on the right side here. Click these boxes to place your bet. So this is the one you want. You click this. Then you'll see it pop up on the top right here in the bet slip. Now you can wager however much you want, and you'll see how much that wager is going to win you. So like I said before, I'm not on a Wi-Fi right now, so I can't get the plugin, but you'll hit place bet down here instead of download now. And then you're all set. So now if you didn't know how to place a bet on FanDuel, now you do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe and come back for more. This will be posted on my site later and on my YouTube channel. Like I said, subscribe and thanks for watching.